there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you how I've been getting 8 hours of beauty sleep with this beautiful set of pajamas. Gepansis Women Silk Satin Pajamas are so cute and stylish. I love the fact that they're very flowy. This is a size small. They're super comfortable. You can either tuck it in to give it more style and reach those pockets on your shorts easier, or you can leave it untucked. I love the fact that it has a natural shine to it, and this is a perfect silk imitation fabric. Super soft, super gentle. I also appreciate that the shorts have this elastic that make it super comfortable to wear. They're not tight, they're not harsh on your skin at all. These are the perfect pajamas for the summer, so if you want to make the perfect gift, then this is definitely the way to go. They help you sleep like a baby. I also love that the top has buttons and a pocket. So if you're doing your makeup and your hair before and you have them on, you don't have to worry of ruining either of them because you can just unbutton the top. These pajamas from Gepansis are cute, are comfortable, and they are so stylish. I highly recommend them. If you're looking for something that feels as good as it looks, then definitely go for these sets of pajamas, but that's just my point of view.